For first-time login, you'll need to set your login password first. Right-click on the HyproGIS icon on the desktop. Select Run as Administrator. Once you're on the login screen, use your email ID as your user ID. Leave the password blank and click Sign In. On the next screen, enter the same user ID again and create your login password. Once you've entered the password, click on Set Password button. Note that the user ID and password are case sensitive. Now you're ready for login. Enter your user ID and password. Click Sign In. You have now successfully signed into the HyproGIS application and can see the primary user interface. Feel free to contact us if you have any problems.